Gusto yata ng mga players namin na habol lagi eh. So, ever since naman sa practice, sabi namin na pag start ng game, we need to go hard na. Medyo sometimes ganun talaga, medyo malakas yung mga team. So, we find ways to, to compete. So, pinakita naman na kaya naman eh. So, matter of ano lang siguro. Yung mindset na kaya. So, back to the drawing board again, back to zero against San Miguel. Hopefully, hindi na kami tambakan bago makahabol.
Coach, kasi kanina napansin namin na most of the scoring load was on Justin Strings. Medyo nung latter part na naghabol yung mga locals like Wami, kailangan bang mas i-push yung locals na from the start pa lang go na sila?
Well, ganoon naman eh. Yung team naman namin, lahat naman pwedeng tumira eh. Basta doon lang sa concept ng team. So, not necessarily titira. Kung ano yung concept ng team, kunwari, kung nasa corner, you need to go to the paint, then yung concept ng team namin ganoon. So, just happen na nung una medyo tentative kasi nakascore yung import eh. So, we need to feed him. Pero nung lately medyo humina ng konti, so that's why pumasok yung locals.
Coach, can you talk about the last two possessions for Terry Ferma? Yung isang na-block kay Aljon and then yung last shot sana ni Ethan. Was it design? Was it or was it flow of the moment?
Flow of the moment yun. Tsaka, what do you expect? Aljon is like 6'3", 6'2". Then si Justin is like 6'7", 6'8". So, nandun eh. Libre-libre, nahabol lang. Then siguro, same like last game. Kailangan namin mag-compete from first quarter hanggang fourth quarter. Kasi second quarter, natatamba kami ng third quarter. So, tsaka kami maghabol. So, parang ang hirap. What's better siguro, sabi namin sa players, all we know is kaya naman natin. We play our A game every game. Pero no need to wait for third quarter para umabol kasi mahirap eh. Mahirap talaga maghabol.
Pero coach, gano'ng malaking bagay sa character ng team yun? Dalawang back-to-back games nag-habol kayo with almost every night.
Well, sobrang maganda yun kasi yun nga, yung culture na kaya pala makipag-compete and may chance manalo. So, lesson learned na hindi dapat ang laro pang third quarter, fourth na habol. Kailangan first pa lang matsado na para at least once na we keep it close, may chance talaga manalo lagi. Kasi tsaka yun, yung seconds to go na yun, breaks of the game na kasi lahat naman may chance manalo. May chance sila matalo. So, hopefully ma-address namin yun from the first pa lang, first quarter, pukpok na kami. Especially sa depensa tsaka within the concept of the team.
Coach, Gio parang may inimit na.
Well, siguro parang nag-cramps yata yung quads niya. So, we need somebody to step up. So, yung team naman na to, next man up eh. So, thankful lang kami kay Justin, kay Aljon, tsaka kay CJ na nag-step up sila.